girls are not the girls now like the past. The girls of today's are not like the past. They have grown up. They're smart. They are strong, right? They have gone on the moon and planning to go on the sun also, right, girls? Will you go on the sun also? Is it possible? No. She's shocked. Relax, huh? She's shocked, looking like this. What? On the sun? No, it's not possible. Going on sun, it's not possible because sun has very powerful heat. Before you go to sun, it will let you burn actually. Anyway, fine. So I have two next speaker on the stage. One is Miss Sapna Kumari.
Yes.
Am I right? Yeah, actually. So Sapna, now we have a right side standing right of me, and if you are watching this video, left of you actually, she is standing. Okay, and we have a right side. Oh, sorry, left side of me, Miss Saleha. So Sapna, I hope you become TT actually better. Fine. Sapna, come this side. Close, come little bit. Sound mic will catch then. Fine, better. You also come here. Good, perfect. Are we looking proper with very clear picture and all? Yeah, fine. Look, don't let it be like that. Straight. Head should be up. You are. Let's. I check you how cameraman you are actually. Anyway, so we have Sapna Jha.
Yes,
Right
sir.
side is standing as a TT. We have Saleha standing. We have Saleha standing left side, and she is a passenger traveling without ticket. It's okay. Speak with the sound. Sound matters. My mic should catch your sound because the audience are watching, they should listen. Okay, right? Can we start? Action.
Hello, you show me your ticket.
A bit close. Good. Wait, don't laugh. Action. Again, repeat.
You show me your ticket.
Good. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Wait, audience, mister, just wait. She will answer. You are without ticket. So, what will be your answer, Salia?
I have forget that.
Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm
I'm so sorry.
मेरे पास टिकट नहीं है.
I have no ticket.
Sound.
I have no ticket.
I have no ticket, or you can say I don't have a ticket. Sapna, she has no ticket. जब आपके पास टिकट नहीं है तो आप ट्रेन में क्या कर रही हो?
If you don't have ticket, so
What are you?
what are you doing in the train?
बगैर टिकट ट्रेन में होना क्राइम है.
Without ticket,
To be
to be train
in the
in
train
the train
is a crime.
is a crime.
इसलिए
So
आप उतर जाएं. You get
you get
down.
down.
चलती ट्रेन में in running train
In running train?
no
No.
अगले स्टेशन पे
Next station.
at the next
At the next station.
platform.
Platform.
but ma'am,
But ma'am,
आज मेरा एग्जाम है.
today is my
Sound.
exam.
मैं एग्जाम के लिए जा रही हूँ. वेट ऑडियंस, मैं एग्जाम के लिए जा रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग
I'm going
फॉर माई एग्जाम.
from my exam.
फॉर माई
From my exam.
फ्रॉम नॉट for I am going for my exam.
I'm going for my exam.
एग्जाम. तुम चाहे जिस लिए भी जाओ, you go
You go.
for whatever
You go for whatever
reason,
reason,
but तुम्हें टिकट होना चाहिए.
but you have.
You should have
you should
ticket.
have ticket.
ये बात मैं भी जानती हूँ. यह
I can understand
दिस
this,
लेकिन
but
भूलना एक वर्ड है. देर इज अ वर्ड. देर इज अ
there is a word
कॉल्ड
called
forget.
forget.
तो मैं भूल गई.
So
I forgot.
I forgot.
Sound with more actually. I forgot. अब आप बताएं. You tell me.
You tell me
मैं क्या करूं? What
what can
do I do? What do I
what do I do?
do?
You give me money.
You come this side. Fine.
You give me money, I make ticket.
Repeat.
You give me money, I make your ticket.
Superb. ठीक है.
How much money?
मैं आपको दूं. May I? May I?
How much money I give you?
How much money do I give you?
How much money do I give you?
आप कहाँ से आ रही हो?
Where are you from coming?
Repeat.
Where are you from coming?
No. From where
Sorry. From where
are you coming? From where are you
From
coming?
where are you coming?
समस्तीपुर.
Samastipur.
मैं समस्तीपुर से आ रही हूँ. Sound.
I'm coming for Samastipur.
I'm coming from.
I'm coming from Samastipur.
जहाँ कहाँ आ रही हो?
From where are you going?
No. Where not? Where are you going?
Where are you going? I'm going
To Darbhanga. 500 रुपया दो.
Give me 500 rupees.
मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है.
I have no.
I don't have
don't have
this much
this
much money.
money.
मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ.
I'm a student.
आप मेरे से 100 रुपया ले लो और छोड़ दो. आप ले लो.
I'm
आप wait audience यार. आप
you give me
वाह टीटी will give money. Excellent. नहीं ओके इट्स ओके. आप 100 रुपया ले लो. You take
you take
100 rupees and मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me.
and leave me.
नहीं 200 दो मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. तो मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ इसके लिए.
No, you give me 200 rupees. You are a student.
So
So
मैं 200 रुपया लेके छोड़ देती हूँ.
I
Leave you
leave you
taking.
taking 200 rupees.
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. ये लीजिए 200 रुपया. Sound.
Take this 200 rupees. Thank you.
It's okay ma'am. It's okay ma'am.
Okay.
अगली बार से बगैर टिकट मत चली हो.
Next,
From the next time.
from the next time without ticket, not traveling.
Okay. From the next time you don't travel without ticket. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
मैं याद रखूंगी.
I
I will remember.
will remember.
It's okay.
It's okay.
अब तुम बैठ सकती हो.
You can sit.
Now.
Now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Can we all clap for them guys?